Good morning. Today we are going to see part A section of technical English, which is numerical adjectives. It is already people know that there are 8 parts of speech. Adjective is one of them. So the definition of adjective is it is a word that describes or adds meaning to a noun or pronoun. So there are different types. Generally people call there are 7 types. So here we see only 6 types. The first one is qualitative adjective. Adjective which adds quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, good, evil, nice, tall, silly, or clever. All these words define the quality of a place, a person, or thing. Next one is possessive adjective. Possessiveness means, the meaning of possessiveness, which belongs to somebody else. So, for example, my, your, his, their, its. Next one is distributive adjective. See the word distribution. There might be multiple number or many people, more numbers. So each one or every one or either of this or that. These words are called distributive adjectives. Next one is demonstrative adjective. These words help when you demonstrate something. We use these adjectives to demonstrate an object or a person or a place. This person, that object, these things, those people. Next one is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, see the word interrogative. These are all question words which become adjective. What kind of, what person, which bag do you want, whose product is this. These words will become adjective. Next one is quantitative, or we call numerical or numeral adjective. Some people call these two or different things. Actually both the things are defining the same answers to the question how many or how much. Quantitative, these adjectives will define or describe the noun or pronoun with its number. So there are two types. One is indefinite numerical adjective, which talks about the things or person or place without any definite number. It's like example of a few, any, many, several. And there is another kind, definite numerical. Definite means a fixed. We know how many things or how many objects or how many persons are there. We define with a number. The number can be cardinal or ordinal. Yes, that is what mentioned in the bracket. Definite numerical adjective. So, definite numerical, we have two kinds we have seen. Cardinal means which defines the number exactly. For example, 1 or 5 or 10 or 100 or whatever the number is. Ordinal number, which talks about the position of the object, where it is there, where it is actually. Or we can call sequential, first, second, 20th or 100. This is ordinal numbers. So definite numerical has two kinds. One is cardinal, the second one is ordinal. So adjective becomes a phrase here. So instead of one word, we use a phrase which is called numerical adjective. Here we add a word article, addition of articles, and next one is a number, maybe in the form of words up to 9. The number we use, sorry, the number we use here as words up to 9, 0 to 9 we use as words ONE1, TWO2, THREE3 up to 9. After that we use the numeral form from 10 to and above. Numeral form, we have to use the Arabic number 10, 11, 12, 50, 100. Then the word plural word we change into singular. Plural word we change into singular form. See, let us see how to use the article. Articles, it is not part of 8 parts of speech, but it comes under adjective. Actually, determiners, we call it determiners. Okay. So articles, there are two types. One is definite article, the other one is indefinite article. Here we are going to deal with only indefinite articles. Indefinite articles, there are two, a and an. See the label itself, we understand one indefinite article means the, sorry, definite article is the, indefinite articles a and an. We can be talking about any of the objects we are not particular about, therefore indefinite. The term indefinite means we use indefinite article a before the word which start with the consonant sound. A project, a bottle, a laptop, a shampoo, a building, anything. After a, the word will be with a consonant sound. Indefinite article and we use before words starting with a vowel sound. So, for example, an apple, an MLA or MP, these are all words with an MLA or MP, or if it is a number, it can be either 8 or 11. Along with numbers, and is used only with these two numbers, either 8 and 11. With all the other numbers we use only a, but only with these two numbers 8 and 11 we use an, because these two numbers alone start with vowel sounds. So here numerical adjective, we are not going to use only one word, we are going to use a phrase along with article, any one number and a singular form, a word, a noun in singular form, right? The question will have a plural word, we have to change into a singular form, right? So we have discussed about how to apply the article. Yeah. Okay. Now the numbers, how to write the number. The numbers up to 9, as we have seen, 1 to 9 we have to use in the form of words. From 10 to indefinite number we will be using the Arabic form, number, numerical form. Next, the plural word should be changed into singular, so we should know how plurals are formed. A noun in plural form, from singular to plural, how do we change? We know the general rule, addition of s, the letter s makes a singular into plural. If for example boy becomes boys in plural, tree trees, pen pens, box boxes. and certain words like kilo, ratio and piano which ends with a O, we add S alone. Addition of ES, sometimes we have to add ES. So words like bench, watch, right, which ends with each sound, and words like potato, echo, we are adding ES to make them plural. In certain words which end with Y, we drop the last letter Y and add ES and change into, Y is changed into I and add ES. City becomes cities, story becomes stories, lady becomes ladies. Only a few words have been given as examples here. Then there are certain words which end with F or FE. We change them into V and add ES. See, thief becomes thieves, wife becomes wives, cough becomes coughs, knife becomes knives. Then a few more examples. There are words ending with same F, and there we add only S, right, or ES. Sometimes we remove the F or change into F and FE into V and add S or ES. Dwarf becomes dwarfs as well as dwarfs. There are two possibilities for these words. We can do any form. We can use either dwarfs, addition of only S to the word dwarf, or change of F into V and add addition of ES. Okay. So there are words like ox and child where we add en to make them plural. Ox becomes oxen, child becomes children. Change of inside vowel. So there are a few words where we change the inside vowel and make them plural. Food becomes feet, tooth becomes teeth, goose becomes geese, mouse becomes mice. Okay, so there are certain words, foreign words, which remain different form, that is original form in the plural. Ratum becomes errata, datum is a singular, it becomes data in plural. These are all their original form in their own language, Latin and Greek. Criterion is singular and its plural form is criteria. Index, indices, axis, axis, phenomenon, phenomena, I have not given here, crisis, crisis, hypothesis, hypothesis. And let us see an example here. The question will be like this: a program lasting for 4 days. A program is a noun phrase and its time duration is given here. Adjective form is given as an explanation or expansion of the noun. We have to convert this into a numerical adjective. Noun should go to the last, and before that there must be a numerical adjective. So we have to start with an article, either a or an article. The next one is the plural word should be changed into singular. Sorry, before that number should be there. The number in words or numeral form we have to change. Third one is the plural word should be changed into singular. Now the answer for the question, a program lasting for 4 days, is, we start with a, indefinite article a, 4 day. 4 days becomes 4 day. For FOUR we use words of the number, and days becomes day and the program, a 4 day program. A 4 day is the numeral adjective, program is the noun form. This phrase defines the word program, noun form program. Let us see the next example. The question is a team of 10 members. So the answer should start with indefinite article, either a or an. Here number is 10. So we start with a, not an, because 10 is in word starts with the consonant sound. So a, 10, we use the same number form because it's a 10, and plural word is members, that should be changed into member. We can use this phrase as an hyphenated word or without hyphen also. There is no error. A 10-member team, a 10 space member is also correct. 10 hyphen member is also correct. A 10-member is a numerical adjective which defines the noun form team. A 10-member team. It's the right answer. Example 3, an event lasting for 11 hours. 11 hours, 11. It's a word starting with vowel sound. So we have to start with an indefinite article an, because the next number which starts with a vowel sound. So therefore an is used here. An 11 hour, not hours. Plural form should be changed into singular hour. So an 11 hour event. Event is the noun form. The phrase an 11 hour is the numeral adjective. Okay, so these are the questions. We can try. A team of 10 members, a 10-member team, a project proposal for 8 crores. What will be the answer? The number is 8, which starts with a vowel sound. So indefinite article an should be used, not a. An 8 crore project proposal. A bottle of 4 liters. Here the number 4 should be used as a word, F-O-U-R, a 4-liter bottle. Liters become liter. This is how all the other questions. The answers are given here. If you have tried yourself, you can cross verify yourself and see your understanding and your score.